Hello kids, welcome to class. Today we're going to a farm to learn about farm animals. Join me. When you hear the sound, can you guess which animal it is? It's a cow. A cow says moo. Can you guess the animal? It's a chicken. A chicken says tock 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 tock. What do you hear? It's a dog. A dog says woof woof. Are you having fun? Did you recognize all the sounds? Let's listen to some more animals, okay? When you hear the sound, can you guess which animal it is? It's a pig. A pig says oink oink. Which animal do you hear? It's a duck. A duck says quack quack. What will be inside the package? It's a cat. A cat says meow meow. What's your favorite farm animal? Did you know all the animals? And did you have fun, kids? Good job! Please visit JoyTown again for more funny English videos. Bye!